In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the Beatron app so you can start creating professional-grade drum patterns and rhythmic sequences right from your mobile device. When you first open the interface, you might feel overwhelmed by the grid and the various knobs, but the layout is actually designed to be incredibly intuitive once you understand the basic flow. You should begin by selecting your kit from the extensive library of sounds which ranges from classic analog drum machines to modern lo-fi textures. Once your sounds are loaded, simply tap the steps on the sequencer grid to place your hits. One of the most powerful features of Beatron is the velocity control, which allows you to slide your finger up or down on any active step to change its intensity. This adds a human touch that prevents your beats from sounding too robotic or stiff. After you have a basic loop going, explore the effects rack where you can apply grit with distortion or space with the built-in reverb. You can also automate these parameters in real time by hitting the record button and moving the sliders as the sequence plays back. This adds movement and evolution to your tracks.